Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to continue teaching you some of the questions on exercise 12.2 chapter 12 NCERT Maths class 10. So I'm going to discuss question number 8 from exercise 12.2 chapter 12 class 10 NCERT Maths. So a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. So we have a horse which is tied to one corner of a square-shaped grass field having side 15 meter by a 5 meter long rope. So we have a square-shaped grass field. We have a square-shaped grass field. Okay. So this ABCD is your square-shaped grass field, and the side of this square-shaped grass field is given to be 15 centimeter. Okay, so a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field of side 15 meter. So the side of this grass field, which is square in shape, is 15 meter. So it's given that side of the square, let me denote by A, is 15 meters. Okay, so the side of the square, okay, it's 15 meters by means of a 5 meter long rope. The horse is tied to one corner of this square field by means of a 15 meter long rope. So the horse is tied to one corner by a 5 meter long rope. 5 meter long. Alright. Find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Now, if the horse is tied at this point A by a 5 meter long rope, what is the area the horse can graze? In that case, the horse can move over this region. This is the particular region of the field in which the horse can graze. Okay. Now the length of the rope, is given to be 5 meter. Okay. So this length, let's say AX, this length AX will be 5 meter, and this length AY will also be 5 meter. So AX, so since the horse is tied at one corner of the field, say A, by a 5 meter long rope, so the area of the field, the horse can graze will be area AXY. Area AXY will be the part of the field in which the horse can graze. Now, this area AXY is in the shape of a sector. With radius equals to AX or AY, which is equal to 5 meter. And since, okay, A is the vertex of the square, is it okay? So this angle will be equal to 90 degree. This angle between two adjacent sides of a square will be equal to 90 degree. So if this AXY is a sector, Is it okay? Then the angle of the sector will be given by 90 degree. Is it all right? So this angle is equal to 90 degree, and the radius of the sector will be AX or AY, which is equal to the length of the rope, that is 5 meters. So the area of the part of the field in which the horse can graze will be AXY, which is a sector. So in Roman 1, we have the radius of the sector to be 5 meters and the angle of the sector theta to be equal to 90 degree. So area of the part of the field in which the horse can graze is your area AXY, which is the shape of the sector, which is area of the sector. So area of the field, the horse can graze. The horse can graze will be equal to the area of the sector AXY, right? And the area of the sector is given by pi r square theta upon 360 degree. So using this information, we can find out the area of the field in which the horse can graze if the rope is 5 meters long, or given the rope is 5 meters long. Now we are asked to use pi. Use pi as 3.14. So according to the question, we use pi as 3.14 into r square. Square of the radius, r square means r into r. So 5 meters into 5 meters multiplied with your angle theta, which is 90 degree, upon 360 degree. 90 degree 4 times is 360 degree. We have 2 times is 4, and 1.57 times is 3.14. So 1.57 times 5 5s are 25. So 1.57 into 5 into 5 gives, and divided by 2 again, gives you the area of the field the horse can graze. So let us calculate that. 1.57 times, here 5 times is 25. So 1.57 times 25. 7 times is 35, 3 carry. 5 times is 25 plus 3, 28. 2 carry. 1 times is 5 plus 2, 7. Now 7 times is 14, 1 carry. 5 times is 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry. 1 times is 2 plus 1, 3. So that is 5, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, and 3. Now after decimal we have 2 digits, so 1, 2. So we have 39.25. So we have 39.25 upon 2 meter into meter square meter. Now let us divide. 39.25 divided by 2. 1 times is 2, 1 carry, and then we have 9. 9 times is 18, 1 in hand. Okay. Now we have a decimal, so we put the decimal and we bring the next digit to 6 times is 12, and then we have 5. 2 times is 4, 1 in hand. Since we have decimal, I can put 0 over here. 5 times is 10. So the area of the field in which the horse can graze, if the length of the rope is 5 meters, is given by 19.625 square meters. So this is answer for Roman 1. Now let's see Roman 2. Increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10-meter long. If the rope were 10-meter long instead of 5 meters. Now, if the length of the rope is 10 meters instead of 5 meters, then what would be the increase in the grazing area? So what we are going to do here is, in Roman 2, if the length of the rope were 10 meter, in that case the horse could graze larger area, right? When the length of the rope was 5 meter, the horse can graze the area AXY, okay, only area AXY of the field. But this time the length of the rope is doubled here, okay, it was 5 meter, now it's given to be 10. So since the length of the rope is now doubled, so the horse would be able to graze larger area. It will be able to cover larger area. Okay? So what I'm going to do is, if the length of the rope were doubled, then instead of 5, okay, the length of the rope would be now 10 meter. The length of the rope is increased by, okay, the length of the rope is now 10 meter. So in that case, the horse will be able to reach maybe up to this point. Okay, the length of the rope is now 10 meters, so the horse will be tied to this point now. In that case, it will be able to cover a larger sector. Say let this point be P and let this point be Q. So in that case, if the length of the rope was 10 meter, then in that case, the horse will be able to cover larger area. It will be able to cover the larger sector, APQ. This APQ is the region of the field in which the horse can graze if the length of the rope is 10 meter. So, if the length of the rope is 10 meter, then area of the field, the horse can graze. Right? Will be given by the area of the larger sector. Larger sector is APQ. Instead of AXY now, it can cover the area APQ of the field, which is in the shape of the sector. So area of the sector APQ by r square theta. This time the length of the rope is double. It's now 10. So I'm going to write the radius of the sector by capital R. So by r square theta upon 360 degree. Here the angle of the sector remains the same. Why? Because the horse is tied to the same point. Okay, it's just that the length of the rope is double. So pi is 3.14 into r squared. This time the length of the rope is 10 meters. So this AP, the radius of the sector, would be 10 meters. So r squared, so r into r. So 10 meters into 10 meters into theta 90 degree upon 360 degree. 90 degree, 4 times is 360 degree. 2 times is 4, and then 2 5 times is 10, right? 2 1 times is 2, 2 5 times is 10. So I'm going to multiply 3.14 times 5 meter times 5 meter. So 3.14 into 5 times is 25. 5 4 times is 20, we have 2 in hand. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. 5 3 times is 15. 2 4 times is 8. 2 1 times is 2. 2 3 times is 6. So 0 7 plus 8 15. 5 1 in hand. 5 6 7 8. after decimal 2 digits, so 1, 2. So if the length of the rope is 10 meter, then the horse will be able to graze 78.50 square meter. Okay, the horse will be able to graze this much area of the field. So you need to find the increase in the area. So increase in the grazing area. So see, this particular portion of the field is the increase in area. So the increase in area can be obtained by subtracting area of this larger sector minus area of this smaller sector. Okay? From the larger sector, APQ, you subtract the smaller sector, AXY, then it gives you the increase in the area. This portion is the increase in grazing area. So increase in grazing area. Increase in grazing area could be given by area of the larger sector, which is 78.50 square meter, minus area of the smaller sector, which is 19.625 square meters. So let us see how to subtract them. Okay, let us subtract 78.50 minus, in subtraction or addition of two decimals, the decimal should coincide. So I'm going to write here 19.625. Here we can write one more 0. 10 minus 5, 5. We have 9 over here. 9 minus 2, 7. We have 4 over here. So 14, okay. So 14, 14 minus 6, 8. We have 7 over here. So we can borrow 1. So 17 minus 9 is 8. And then we have 6 over here. 6 minus 1, 5. So the increase in grazing area will be given by 58.875 square meters. 58.875 square meters, which gives you the complete answer for Roman 2. Alright? Okay. We will proceed with the next question. Now we shall proceed with the next question, question number 9. Okay. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. So a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. You are asked to find the total length of the silver wire and the area of each sector of the brooch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the figure. So a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. So the brooch is made with a silver wire in the form of a circle. This does not look like a circle. Let me make it and draw it appropriately. Yeah, this looks better. So there is a circle. This is the center of the circle. Okay, so the brooch has been made into a circle, in the shape of a circle. Alright, with a silver wire. So this circle is made with a silver wire of diameter 35 millimeter. So the diameter of this circle, which is made with the silver wire, is 35 millimeters. Okay. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters. So what I'm going to do is this, with the help of the same wire, I'm going to draw 5 diameters. So this is your 1 diameter. Okay, 1 diameter. This is your second diameter, right? This is your third diameter, right? This is your fourth diameter, and this is going to be your fifth diameter. So 5 diameters of this brooch has also been made with the help of your silver wire. So we are asked to find out the total length of the silver wire required. Now the diameter of the circle is given to be 35 millimeters, so the radius will be diameter divided by 2. Okay, diameter divided by 2 gives you the radius of this circle, and since it is in millimeters, so we can always convert it to centimeter. Okay, before you find out the radius, you can convert to centimeter. Millimeter, if you convert to centimeter, then you have to divide by 10, because 10 millimeters makes 1 centimeter. Okay, because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. If you do the other way, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Okay, so that is 3.5 centimeter. So the radius will be diameter divided by 2 centimeter. Okay, so number 1, the total length of the silver wire. First of all, the wire is used in making the circle. The wire is first used in making the circle. Is it okay? So the length of the wire used in making the circle will be the circumference of the circle, right? No? You are making a circle with a wire. This is your wire. This wire has been made into a circle. So the length of the wire will be the circumference of the circle. Not only that, the wire has also been used in making 5 diameters. So the length of the wire, the total length of the silver wire, silver represented by AG, right? Argentina silver, AG. Total length of the silver wire will be, the wire is first used in making the circle. So length of the wire used in making the circle will be the circumference of circle. Also the wire has been used in making 5 diameters. So plus the length of the wire required for making 5 diameters. 5 into diameter. The length of the wire used in making the circle and the length of the wire used in making 5 diameters, their sum will give you the total length of the silver wire. Alright? Yes. So total length of the silver wire means the length of the wire used in making the circle plus the length of the wire used in making 5 diameters of this circle. So circumference of circle 2 pi r plus 5 diameters, so 5 into diameter. Diameter is 3.5 centimeter long, so 5 into 3.5 centimeter. Now 2 into pi means 22 upon 7. Into radius, your radius is 3.5 upon 2 centimeter plus 5 times is 25 to carry 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. After decimal 1 digit, so we put the decimal over here. Here 2 can be cancelled out. 7 0.5 times 7 0.5 times is 3.5. So 22 times 0.5. 22 times 0.5. 5 2 times is 10. 1 carry. 5 2 times is 10 plus 1, 11. 0 2 0 0. 0 2 0 0. It's not required, but I still write it. After decimal we have 1 digit, so after 1 digit we have to place the decimal. So 11.0. 11.0 centimeter plus 17.5 centimeter. Now if we find the sum, 11.0 plus 17.5, that gives you 28.5. So 28.5 centimeter is the total length of the silver wire used in making a circle and the 5 diameters of this circle. This completes the first part of the question. Okay. Also, you have to find the area of each sector of the birch. See, the wire is used in making 5 diameters, which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. So if you draw 5 diameters on this circle, then we have 10 equal sectors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each of these 10 regions are sectors of equal area. Now, and we want to find out the area of each of this sector. Then in that case, okay, the radius of the circle is known to you, which is 3.5 upon 2 centimeter, and we need the angle of the sector. Suppose this sector number 2, has this much angle at the center. So this will be the angle at the center. Now how do you find the angle at the center or angle of the sector? We know that the complete angle, okay, the complete angle of a circle is 360 degrees. And this circle is divided into 10 equal sectors. So for Roman 2, first of all, the angle of the sector theta can be obtained by dividing the complete angle 360 degree upon 10. So the angle of the sector, angle of each of this sector. Okay? See, the circle is divided into 10 sectors. A circle consists of 360 degree. So the angle of each of the sector will be 360 degree upon 10. So 0, 0 cancels out. So the angle of each sector is 36 degree. So we want to find the area of each sector. So area of each sector will be pi r square theta upon 360 degree. So pi is 22 upon 7. R square means r into r. So we have 3.5 upon 2 times 3.5 upon 2, right? Pi means 22 by 7. R square means r into r. So 3.5 upon 2 times 3.5 upon 2 times your angle theta, 36 degree, divided by 360 degree. 36 degree, 10 times is 360 degree. 7, 1 times is 7. 7, 0.5 times is 3.5. Okay. We have 2, 1 times is 2. And 2, 11 times is 22. So r square, so this is centimeter, this is centimeter, so we have square centimeter over there. So 0.5 times 3.5 times 11. First of all, I'm going to multiply 3.5 and 0.5. 5 times is 25, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. 0, 5 times is 0, 0, 3 times is 0, so we have 175. After decimal, 1, 2 digits all together, so 1, 2 here. And then we multiply by 11. So 175, 175, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carry, 7, 8, 9, 1. After decimal, 2 digits, so 1, 2. So 19.25. So 19.25 upon 210 times is 20 square centimeter. You can leave it here, or you can also further divide it, okay, to obtain the area of each sector, which completes our solution for question number 9. Okay. You can further reduce it if you want to. 5 4 times is 20, 5 3 times is 15, and then we have decimal, right? 5 3 times is 15, and then we have decimal. 5 3 times is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 4 in hand, 42. 5 8 times is 40, we have 42. So 5 8 times is 40, 41, 42, 2 in hand, so 25. 5 5 times is 25. Is it alright? So 3.85 upon 4 centimeter square. Okay, you can also divide 3.85 divided by 4. 4 1 times is 4, okay, which is impossible because we have only 3 here. So if you want to take the next digit, then before using this 8 we have decimal, before this 8 we have decimal, so you need to write the decimal first. 4 9 times is 36, so we have 2 and then 5. 4 6 times is 24, 1 point, so 0. 4 2 times is 8, 2, we have point, so 0. 4 5 times is 20. So the area of each sector is 0.9625 square centimeter. 0.9625 square centimeters. I hope I have done it correctly. Okay. Okay, so that's all. Answer in your textbook may be given in terms of millimeter, but that is alright. But I have converted into centimeters, so we get this answer. Okay, if you convert it into millimeter, you may get different answers. Okay, yeah. So that's it. That's the end of question number 9. So we go for the next question, question number 10. So now we come to question number 10. Alright? Roger that. 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between 2 consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So assuming umbrella to be a flat circle. So this flat circle is your umbrella. This is the center of the circle. So an umbrella has 8 ribs. So this is 1 rib. This is 2. Okay, 1, 2. This is your 3. This is your 4. 3, 4. This is your 5, 6, 7, and 8. So an umbrella has 8 ribs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So your umbrella has 8 ribs. The radius of this circle is 45 centimeter. So given radius is 45 centimeter. Find the area between two consecutive ribs. Consecutive ribs means find the area between the ribs 1 and 2. Maybe 2 and 3. 4 and 5. 7, 8. Is it okay? Consecutive ribs. So you see, area between any two consecutive ribs is a sector. Right? Is a sector. Sector means what? If any region has an arc of the circle as a part of its boundary, then that region is a circle or is sector. So area between any two consecutive ribs. So 4 and 5 are consecutive ribs. So the area between these two ribs is a sector. The area between these two ribs is a sector where the radius is equal to 45 centimeter, and this is the angle of the sector. Okay? Now let's find out the angle of the sector. Angle of the sector. Angle of each sector. There are 8 sectors, so angle of each sector. Angle of each sector. Theta will be given by. Now we know that in a circle, the complete angle, circle has complete angle, the complete angle is 360 degrees. And the umbrella, and the circle has been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 regions. So 360 divided by 8. Alright? So the complete angle 360 degrees divided by 8 will give you the angle of each sector. So 8, 4 times is 32. 4 in hand, so 40. 8, 5 times is 40. So the angle of the sector is 45 degrees. So area between any two consecutive ribs is area of sector. So area between two consecutive ribs. Two consecutive ribs is the area of the sector given by the formula pi r square theta upon 360 degree. In the NCERT they did not mention anything about pi, so pi we use as 22 upon 7. R square means r into r. So 45 centimeter into 45 centimeter into your theta. Theta is 45 degree upon 360 degree. Now let's cancel out some terms. 9 5 times is 45. 9 4 times is 36. 0. 5 1 times is 5 5. 8 times is 40. 2 11 times is 22. 2 4 times is 8. 45 times 45. 5 5 times is 25. 4 5 times is 20. Right? 2025 multiplied by 11. 2025 to 57222. 22275 upon 74 times is 28 centimeter times centimeter square centimeter. So the area between any two consecutive ribs of the umbrella is 22,275 upon 28 square centimeter. You can stop it right here, or you can further proceed with the division, okay, and get your answer in terms of decimal. Both ways it is correct. So that's the end of your question number 10. So we proceed with the next question. So we now go for question number 11 of exercise 12.2. A car has two wipers, which do not overlap. Okay. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So a car has two wipers. Both the wipers has length 25 centimeter, and both the wipers can cover an angle of 115 degrees, right? So let's see. Let's say that this is the first wiper of the car of length 25 centimeter. This wiper, it can sweep through an angle of 115 degrees. This wiper can sweep through an angle of 115 degrees. Okay. This wiper can sweep through an area or through an angle. This angle is 115 degrees, right? This is a wiper. This wiper can sweep through an angle of 115 degrees. We have another wiper. Let's say that your other wiper, okay, it can also sweep through an angle of 115 degrees. Okay. So let's say that this is your other wiper. This is your other wiper. This wiper can also sweep through an angle of 115 degrees. You have two wipers. This is your first wiper. This is your second wiper. Your second wiper also can sweep through an angle of 115 degrees. Through an angle of 115 degrees of length 25 centimeter, right? See? But the wipers, they can sweep through an angle of 115 degrees. Alright? So we want to find out the total area cleaned at each sweep. This wiper, in one sweep, it can cover an angle of 115 degrees and it can sweep out area of a sector. The area described, the area covered, the area swept by the wiper is in the form of a sector with radius 25 centimeter and angle 115 degrees, each of them. So in one sweep, it is covering two equal sectors. In two wipers in one sweep, okay, it is covering two equal sectors. So you have to find the total area cleaned in one sweep. Two blades, so one sweep means it's covering two equal sectors. Okay, it's given that the angle of the sector is 115 degrees and the radius, the length of the blade is the radius, so radius is equal to 25 centimeter. So the total area cleaned at each sweep, of the blades, will be given by two equal sectors. So 2 into area of sector. So 2 into area of sector, pi r squared theta upon 360 degree. Here they did not, in the question they did not mention anything about pi, so pi will be using 22 upon 7. 2 into pi means 22 upon 7. R square means r into r. So 25 centimeters into 25 centimeters into theta. Your theta is 115 degree divided by 360 degree. Okay, let's try to solve this. 8, 9, 10, 11. 5, 2 times is 10, 5, 3 times is 15. 5, 7 times is 35. 5, 2 times is 10, right? 5 2 times is 10, 1 carry, so 5 3 times is 15. 5 7 times is 35, 1 carry 10, so 5 2 times is 10. 2 2 1 times is 2, 2 3 times is 6, 1 carry, 2 6 times is 12, right? 2 11 times is 22, 2 1 times is 2, 2 8 times is 16. So 11 times 25 times 25 times 23 upon 7 times 18 centimeters square will give you the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So let us try to multiply these terms. There 25 times 25 is 625. 625 times 23 times 23. 3 5 times is 15. 1 carry. 3 2 times is 6 plus 1 7. 3 6 times is 18. And then we have 2 5 times is 10. 1 carry. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. And then 2 6 times is 12. 2 5 7 8 plus 5 13. 1 in hand. 2 3 plus 1 4 and 1. And then we multiply by 11. 1 4 1 4 3 7 5. 1 4 3 7 5. So we have 5 here. 5 plus 7 12. 2 1 in hand. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 1 11. So 1 in hand. 4 5 6 7 plus 1 8. 4 plus 1 5. And then we have 1 here. So 1 5 8 1 2 5. 1 5 8 1 2 5 upon 7 times 18. 7 8 times is 56. 6 5 carry. 7 ones are 7 plus 5 12. 126. And then we have centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. You can leave your answer here, or you can further divide it, express in terms of decimal. That is also correct. Okay, on the right. Okay. So the next question, question number 12. To warn ships of underground water rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degrees through a distance of 16.5 kilometers. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. So from a lighthouse, okay, a red colored light spreads over the sea, okay, in the form of a sector of angle 80 degree up to a distance of 16.5 kilometers. So let's say that this O is the source of light. Okay, so the lighthouse spreads red colored light, okay, over the sea in the form of a sector, okay, in the form of a sector with angle at the center 80 degree through a distance of 16.5 kilometers. So this is how it should look like. So this is your red zone. Okay, so this is your red zone. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are run. So this is the particular portion of the sea over which the ships are being warned. So here, the angle of the sector is equal to 80 degree and the radius is 16.5 kilometers. Therefore, area over which the ships are warned will be the area of the sector pi r square theta upon 360 degree. And in the question we are asked to use pi as 3.14. So we're going to strictly use the value of pi as 3.14. So pi 3.14 into r square means r into r. 16.5 kilometers into 16.5 kilometers into your theta. Theta is 80 degree upon 360 degree. 0, 0 cancels out. 2, 4 times is 8. 2, 1 times is 2, 2, 8 times is 16. Right? 2, 2 times is 4. 2, 9 times is 18. 3, 3 times is 9. 3, 5 times is 15. Decimal, 1 carry, 3, 5 times is 15. 3, 5.5. So we multiply the remaining terms, then it gives you the area in terms of square kilometer, kilometers into kilometer, square kilometer. 5.5 times 5.5. 5 times is 25. 5 6 times is 30. 3025. After decimal 2 digits 1 2. And this short way to multiply. And then we have into 3.14. 4 5 times is 20. 2 carry. 4 2 times is 8 9 10. 0 1 carry. 4 zeros are 0. So we have 1. And 4 3 times is 12. 1 5 times is 5, 1 2 times is 2, 1 0 times is 0, 1 3 times is 3. And then we have 3 5 times is 15, 5 1 carry, 3 2 times is 6 plus 1 7, 3 0 0, 3 3 9. 0 5 8 7 8 9 4 9. And then we after decimal 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 here. And then we multiply it by 2 again. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5 times is 10, 1 in hand. 2 8 times is 16 plus 1 17, 7 1 carry. 2 9 times is 18 plus 1 19, 9 1 in hand. 2 4 times is 8 plus 1 9. 2 9 times is 18. After decimal 4 is 1 2 3 4. So the area over which the ships are worn is 189.97. After decimal, zeros can be neglected. So 189.97 square kilometers. So that's it. That's all for today's class. So thank you.